All right, guys, we got the Pro Boat UL-19 here. We're going to be doing a GPS speed run. Zero it out right here for you guys to see. Here we go, zero it out. Set on miles per hour for this one. We're going to stick it in a little baggie here so we don't get it wet. All right, hit that play button. There we go. We are good to go. All right, guys. Let's see what the Pro Boat UL-19 can get here on the lake today. All right, here we go. Oh, and we just lost the prop.
Yeah, prop just came undone.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we got a hero. Nice. Well, we got some good speed there before the prop fell off, and we had a standby here helping us out. Right on.
Actually, I think the shaft came on.
Oh, the shaft. Oh, okay, yeah.
Spinning off.
At least the water's warm.
Yeah, thanks, buddy.
Thank you.
Yeah, shaft came out.
Oh, shaft came out there, guys. All right. Oh, and she's smoking. And we got some tunes going there.
Yeah.
I saw some smoke coming out of it.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, yeah. We gotta get the GPS out of there so we can see what the speed is.
Oh, smoking hot, man.
We got some smoke. Oh.
Probably cooked the ESC again.
Whoa, she's smoking. Oh, it's okay. 42.7 miles per hour on that one, guys. We'll get it out of the bag here.
It's on wide open even, right?
Yeah.
I broke it.
Oh, I broke the shaft on that one.
Yeah.
Cool.
Snap the shaft.
And it's burning. ESC or motor, I can't tell. Anyways, guys, we'll show it you there. Pro Boat UL-19, 42.7 miles per hour. We'll drop the kilometers per hour on the screen because I don't know how to do the conversion. But anyways, guys, see you on the next one. See ya.